Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ashley Amber, and in today's video, as you can tell by the title, we're going to be doing a review on my new baby. Well, actually an unboxing slash review, 2-in-1. So yes, we're going to be reviewing the LV Louis Vuitton Alma bag. And yeah, I won't waste any time. Girl, if you're new, make sure you sit still and get comfortable. Boy, if you're new, make sure you sit still and get comfortable, because we are lit over here, period. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and do all that good stuff. And let's get right into this video. Okay, so here is the bag that, well, the packaging that the bag comes in. So the big Louis Vuitton bag. So thumbnail. Okay, so yes, this is the packaging. So yes, big bag. Okay. So in the bag is the box with the actual bag in it. So I'm just gonna take it out. Hold on, y'all, technical difficulties. Okay, it's a lot. Pretty big. So this is the box. And I did open this already because I did wear her, so just one time pretty much. But yeah, I wanted to like repackage it how it came, but I didn't really get it right. So it's a little wonky, but you get the drift. You get the drift, okay? So it has this cute little card here. They tie it. It's a nice bow. I don't know what is in this. Let's see what is in here. A little envelope card. I don't know, but nothing important. And then in the bag I have the receipt. This is the card holder with your receipt in it. And then this is actually like the sales rep information who helped us. So yeah. She also gave me this LV book. It's pretty cool. Definitely use this as a coffee table book. So yeah, super cute. We love that. Okay, so the moment you're all waiting for, the unboxing. So I'm just gonna take all this off. Okay, so the box just like has a flap, so it just like opens up. And then in the box is the dust bag. Okay, so here is the dust bag. It just says Louis Vuitton. It's just like a little nude color. So here is the bag in all her glory. So pretty. So I'll just come up close so you guys can see a full 360 view. Has the gold zipper. So pretty. And then this is the zipper like handle. It has this locket on here that says LV, because you can lock your purse. So the key is in here. So it comes with 2 keys, so it's actually in this pouch. Y'all can see it like sticking out, so you can lock your bag and secure it. So ain't nobody coming up in here. I take the key and you ain't coming up in here if I don't want you to. So that's pretty neat. These are the handles. Yeah, so inside, very nice sturdy zipper. Inside it just has the red print, plain print. Has a pocket here, which is pretty good, a good size to put like your cards. But yeah, this is the size of the bag. It's definitely a good size for you to like bring you know, like a little makeup pouch and your phone and whatever else, like a brush. Like, it is a good size, so I love that. So yeah, I love her. And it also comes with a strap, so you can wear it long ways to do a more casual look, which I did when I wore my bag. So yes. Isn't she so cute? Like, she's so cute. Oh, thumbnail. Let's get into the specs of this bag. So this bag is the Alma BB, and the material is Damier Ebene. Damier Ebene. Y'all know I don't know how to pronounce these fancy words. So yeah, so the BB is the smaller size and there's the PM, but I have the smaller size, the BB, which I love. This is perfect. I don't need the PM. I just wanted like not a mini bag, but like a decent sized bag that I can just, you know, put stuff in and wear casually and dress up if I want to. So I love the size, it's perfect. And yeah, so this retailed for $17.60 before tax, and then after tax $18.65. So yeah, after tax $18.65, which is a pretty good deal for a designer bag. So yeah, with the product details, the length is 9.3, 6.9, 4.5 inches. That's the length, height, and width. So the length is 9.3, the height is 6.9, and the inches, I'm sorry, the width is 4.5 inches. And you can go on their website and find all this stuff, but I just wanted to provide you with some context. It is a smooth co-wide leather trim on this bag. So yeah. And there is, let's see, a padlock, which I showed you all, a key bell, which I did take out, but again, the keys are in here. Yeah, it just has that inside flat pocket, so you can fit a lot of stuff in there. And for me, I did not, because I never research my bags, I just see that it's cute and I want it, and I don't do my research. But definitely make sure that you don't, like, if you're spraying perfume, you don't spray your perfume on your bag. Stay away from oils, all that. But their website has, as well as water, because it will stain. Like, I put some oil on when I wore this bag, and I had it like on my legs, and it kind of rubbed off on this part, but I was able to like wipe it out with my fingers. But yeah, it does tell you how to care for the bag, and I didn't know that before. So yeah, definitely, you know, research whatever bags you're getting to see how to properly care for the bag, because you don't want to mess this up, you know, at least not when you just got it. Like, give it some time before you know, it has some wear and tear. So yeah, I'm giving you all the advice that I need to take myself. But yeah, this is really just a quick initial review. I absolutely love it. It, you know, fits a good amount of stuff. It's so cute and just classy and timeless. We love a timeless bag. Ooh, it's sturdy, y'all. And you can just like wear it like this, like that, or you can, you know, wear it like that, or you can wear it the long way. So, and don't mind my bottoms. Don't mind my bottoms, okay? But yeah, that's all I have to say about this bag. I absolutely love it. There's no cons. Again, I only wore it one time, but I just need to make sure that I don't get like grease and like water and all that kind of stuff. And this is the, yep, see, I already got something on the bottom. Girl, a mess. A mess. This is why I don't deserve nice things. Okay, but anyways, this is the bottom of the bag. So it has these little 4 gold medal things, and it says Louis Vuitton. She's cute. We love her. Love her, love her, love her. And it also has like the Louis Vuitton and these little things. But anyhow, yeah, that is really all I have to say about the bag. So definitely make sure you check the link down below. I'll have the link to it. I bought mine in the store, but yeah, I love it. It's super cute. I wanted like a nice brown bag that isn't mini, a good size to fit things, so I'm excited about that. So yeah, and this is my first LV bag, so we are welcoming her to the club, okay, period. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. Again, if you're new, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel because it's lit over here, period. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Give it a big thumbs up. If you have any questions, comment down below. I swap back, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks so much for watching.